going on, you guys? It's your boy Roger, aka Chancho, and I'm here in Hotchkiss, Illinois. We're in Midwest Mayhem car show number 10. I'm right here. There's a lot of nice cars I want to show you guys. Now, of course, I brought my Blue Beauty, my Chevy Caprice right here. That's the first one I'm gonna show. I love this car. This is mine right here. I know you guys seen it. It's a work in progress, so it's not finished. I'm gonna put music over the video because people are playing their music. But yeah, guys, I want to show you some of the coolest cars they have in the car show. So people are playing music all over the place. So excuse the noise, but like I said, I'm gonna put music over so I don't get copyright. But yeah, guys, I'm here with my wife. She's right there. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars. We're gonna walk this way. They're still filling up. This thing is rattling the whole place. Here's from my Jeep, guys. It's a black Chevy world and it's a Jeep world. Got your Puerto Rican, Mexican flags. My wife got lost in the Jeep. She got, like I said, she has a Jeep, so it gives her ideas. She's over there, guys, in between the red and the green, I believe. Yeah, some of these cars you seen on the prison car show, one in Joliet.
these for the, like, not this style, but for the Caprice, just like my hubcap. They got some nice builds. Got some nice cars. That's a Tiara grill. Would you like the pizza? Very nice. I know this guy, I don't know him personally, haven't met him, but he has a YouTube channel as well. He came all the way from Texas, and he brought his cars. This is his channel right here. Go follow him on Instagram. Go follow him go subscribe to his YouTube channel right there. He's a real cool guy. This is his car. I think he also brought a box Chevy. Yeah. Another Impala SS. Somebody lost their hat. Got another Caprice. I like these bubble Caprices. This is his other car too. Right here. My guy. Like I said, go follow him. He just put these 22 spoken Vogues. Go check his channel out. Go check him out. There he is again, DLC whips. He made a custom center console, a custom rear deck. He just got a paint job on this thing. You know, he's making it look nice. So go follow him and go subscribe to his channel. Here's another box Chevy. Maybe you think he'll look better with instead of the impacts, he'll get his bumper like this, all chrome, like that. with the impact strip right here. You like the impact strip? Oh, lights, man. These are nice. Custom lights? Yeah. Those are nice, right? I wonder how much they go for. So you like the impact strip like this?
Yeah.
Better than just the chrome? Nice car. You got a YouTube channel or social media some of my followers can follow you?
Instagram, Kate Buford.
Kate Buford.
Facebook,
okay, there you go. You guys go follow him. What about you? You got a platform? Teddy Boy Julio. Hey, so go follow them guys. Got a Caprice Classic right here, Landau. Got a Cadillac. Got a Pontiac Kerosene, guys. Like the mirror? Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a mirror like that for the. A lot of custom. You like it like that? I think this is 87. Okay. All right, 86. They got a lot of nice cars, guys. Wanna go check some over here, man? What's going on, my boy? I finally get to meet you right here. How you been? Yeah. That's him right there, guys. DLC Whips. Go follow him on. There you go. That's him right there. Yeah.
Hey, they got you way over here.
I tried because they just said park anywhere, and most of the spots are already taken. I saw it. I already told you to go follow you, man. And go subscribe and everything, bro. I think it's a candy blue. I saw I bought it, yeah. Original? 89. Yeah, there you go. I was already 2 years old when I bought it. When it came out, I was 2 years old already. But yeah, go follow him, guys. Yeah, Ashley. Yeah, this is it, bro. That's my. Oh no shit, really? Oh, okay. Yeah, I heard you mention that you grew up in hospital. Yes, sir. It's a work in progress, bro. Oh, on your channel, I saw you were gonna give some decals, so you gave me an idea, bro. There you go. I brought you one. All right. because I saw the Caprice logo, and like, you know what? I need some because I also need a spare. But then I bought them and everything, and I went to touch them. Like, they're steel. Yeah. No, they're just steel, bro. Yeah. So, but since I did I switched the spindles and everything when I did the engine swap, because the other one went bad. So it has the rear end of a 9C1 police car, the engine of a police car, and the front end, like the spindles and all that. So it kind of jacked it up a little bit. Because a lot of people ask me, like, what do you do to lift it up? Like, in all reality, I do nothing. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, it's my baby right here, man. Yeah. Okay. Oh, damn. Yeah. So you guys got here yesterday, right?
I got here yesterday.
Okay. Ah. Okay, yeah. Oh, that sucks. They took you to Urbana? That's the next town over? Okay. Vámonos. Yeah. I waxed it last night. That was like 7 o'clock, and then the sun just went away. And I was like at 10 o'clock, you know, like with my flashlight, just dabbing it, and I waxed it as best as I could. But yeah, this is my baby right here.
So I saw you did the AC on it, no?
Yeah, the AC line. Yeah. Let me pop it. Hold it, baby.
Do you still want it recording?
I'll cut you guys back.
Welcome back, guys. So yeah, I cut you guys because I was talking to one of my guys. Like I said, he's from Texas, so he drove all the way over here. He brought, like I said, I'll show you some of his whips. I'm gonna show you some more. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification so every time I upload a video, you guys get notified. And support the channel, you know, just subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, you know, but it helps me out to grow as a channel. But yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. They got a lot of nice cars, baby. Yours was the Jeeps. You like the Jeeps? Got a Buick Regal, Impala SS. Got the G20. You don't gotta have a nice fancy car with wheels and rims. You could just bring your car, you know. It's nothing. Do I get the stuff done? You wanna record me?
Yeah.
Whips. Go check him out. He's, like I said earlier in the video, he's from Texas. This is YouTube channel and also his Instagram. You guys got Instagram? Go follow him. Go subscribe to him.
But yeah, guys, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Like I said, I'm gonna continue to do my car thing because I love cars, and I'm still gonna do my fireworks because I love blowing up fireworks. I'm gonna make a video on my first ever stash of fireworks. I made a video earlier when I was me and my family and my son went to Tennessee. If you guys haven't checked it out, go check it out. I bought some fireworks, so I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. But I don't think I show all of them when I bought them. But yes, guys, stay tuned to the channel. Like, share, subscribe, and if you want to leave a comment to see which one was your favorite car so far, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I appreciate you guys very much. Chancho's out. Peace.